Bye. Hello. Oh, there you go. There you go. He can be scared of new dogs sometimes. This is Min. Yeah, his little brother is Bolt. Good boy. Good job, you're okay, big guy. Once he gets used to everybody, he's okay, but sometimes he gets scared. Luckily, everybody seems pretty calm here. Good boy. There you go, go get him, Bolt. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah, make sure his little brother doesn't hump anybody too. We've got the collar if we need it. Yeah, it's all three of these guys are the boarding pups. He's reactivity. His brother is supposed to be for reactivity too, but he's been great. Like the main thing is that he can get humpy, and then this guy is reactivity too, but at least reactivity. Yeah. He's doing great. Good boy. Oh, good job. Hi. Good boy. Very good. I'm surprised there's not more people here. Good boy, man. I'm surprised there's not more people here.
Yeah, about 10 minutes ago there was.
Okay, that's good. It's probably better off this way. We might start leaving when the crowds get too big, or I might take them out around the fence. Good boy. Oh, I gotta get you some more water.
Yeah, I just filled up the other two.
Oh, sweet. Thank you. Come here. He should be able to drink in that thing too, but I just gotta make sure he can actually reach it. Come on, big guy.
Oh.
Good boy. Oh, Bolt, you humping? I'll put the collar on you. I'll put the collar. There we go. All right. Good boy. Come on, Min. Oh, good pee-pee. Come on, Min. This way. Let's get some water. Oh.
Is he a herding dog as well?
Min? He's the one that usually protects the herding dogs. He's a Great Pyrenees.
That's what I figured.
Yeah. So he's usually the guardian of the flock. I wonder if sometimes that has anything to do with his apprehension, you know? He sees another dog, it's like, no, that's not a wolf. It's not a coyote. But no, he's been doing great. Good boy. Yeah. they're usually they can be a tough breed, especially like they're really suited for their work. So sometimes just like having them as just family pets can be difficult, you know. A lot of other pups can like kind of adjust a little bit better. Hi, you're so cute. Good boy. Good boy, man. Come on, bigger. Let's go hang out. Oh boy. Yeah. Oh, that is Goose. Yeah. Hi, Goose. Oh, there you go. What do you think, bud? Which one's yours? Aw. How old?
He's 2. He'll be 3 this September.
He's awesome.
We've seen you guys before. I think.
I was gonna say, like his coat, it looked familiar.
Yeah, like you guys have come to our apartment complex in Haverly.
Oh, nice.
We've seen you. I've seen you.
I was there. Was it with Was it with the other beagles, or I'm trying to think. Aberley.
They were with you were with the hounds, I think, and
Yeah.
one was reactive. And you were training mostly with. And you were showing the parents like what the more appropriate play was, and like it was good that like she was off and stuff like that.
Oh, that's good.
Because she was, I think the baby was playing her.
There you go.
With him.
Yeah, unfortunately, we get a lot of reactive cases, especially after shortly after COVID. There were a lot of issues just because nobody was able to socialize, and some breeds definitely needed a lot more than other breeds.
Yeah, no, I didn't have that issue.
Yeah, lucky.
I didn't stay home everywhere.
There you go, good boy.
I mean, I guess it doesn't hurt that he's a baby.
Yeah, some breeds are better better temperaments towards other pups. Don't let them hump you. Ow! Bolt. Good boy, Bolt. Good boy, thank you. Good listen. Thank you, good job. Good job. He's usually not a humper, so hopefully he's just trying to get him to play. Yeah.
I think it's just about the play, yeah. 'Cause he's not about
Yeah, that's good.
He will correct you, like,
We'll definitely keep an eye on him.
his turning point was when he got points, he was trying to.
Oh, poor thing. I think that would be anybody's turning point. Let me put this on you just in case, big guy. For a little guy. Bless you. Good. Alright. Wait, Bolt. There you go. Okay, good boy. Oh. Good boy. Oh.
Off.
Now you off too. Bolt. Bolt.
Hi.
Good. Good. Place. Thank you. Good job. Okay. Yeah, this actually works out really well. I was afraid it was good. How are you guys doing? Don't mind the muzzle. Sometimes he gets scared with new dogs if they're too much. He's good with people. Cute puppy. There you go. Good boy. There you go. Good boy, Min. Good job. Yeah. Good boy. Hi, Lance. Good boy. He likes you. And make sure Bolt here doesn't knock the little one over too.
You got him dead.
He usually is pretty good unless they start running, and then he wants to like run after them. So there you go. You got a buddy. Oh.
Hi, I'm you.
Are you trying to hump? Oh no. Here.
No. No.
Hey.
Gross.
No. Goose.
Disgusting.
There you go. Get him. There you go. Get the goose. There you go.
Oh my gosh.
There you go. Don't worry, he sounds more intense than he is. It's that,
Wait, are these all your dogs?
yeah, these three. They're all board and trains.
Oh my god, they're all trying.
Ah! I'll get them. Bolt. Good. Come here. There you go. Goose. Come here. Face. Good boy. I know. Let's let him out of the corner, guys. Usually it's not a problem because at home they'll just keep trying to hump one another. But now we got to keep an eye on them here. There you go. Bolt. Good boy. Good listen. Come. Gas. Good boy. Oh, y'all behave yourselves. Horn dogs. Goose. Let him out of the corner. Come. Good boy. There you go. Good boy. Good boy, Bolt. Yes, there you go. Oh, good boy. Yeah.
Girl, you trying to throw the ball?
Good boy. Bolt. There you go. Good boy, man. How old is he?
He's 5 months.
Oh, good job. Good boy. Hi. Oh, good boy. It's like lost in there. Good boy. Good job, Bolt. Careful, man. Oh, good boy, man. Good boy. Bolt, come. Good boy. Sit. Good job. Come on, man. You want to just hang out? That's fine. No ball, no humping. Good boy. I see you. Ah, good boy. There you go. Yes. Wait. Oh. Come on, man. You want to go back in the shade? Come on, big guy. No? You want to just stand there? Okay. You want to just stand there? Come on, man. Come on. Good boy. There you go. Bless you. Bless you. You guys have a good one. Oh, good boy. I don't think he likes you chasing you, Goose. Anyone else coming in for a bit? No? Alright. See if these guys come in. Oh. Well, I guess they're not coming in. Good boy, big guy. Good boy, Bolt. Oh, good boy. I'm in. Would you like some treats? No. Well, no. Hi. Alright, hold on. There you go. Oh. Hi, bud. Hi, Goose. Hi, Min. Good boy. Good boy. You gotta go easy on the lip, big guy. Good boy, Bolt. Come here. Good boy.
Real fella. Real winner. The real fella. This is my dog.
Oh, yeah? He's a good dog. Good boy.
His name is Nantla. Where the way to go to his body?
I don't know, Bolt. Uh-oh. Bolt. Come here, bud. Oh, I know it's hard. Oh. Play keep away. Good boy. Come here. That's his cheeseburger. Goose. Okay. Good boy, man. Good boy. Bolt, don't do it. I see you. Oh, what's that? Let's go. Let's go get it. You guys have a good one. You guys ready too? Bolt, come here, bud. Good boy, come. I know, good boy. There you go. Oh, careful, big guy. He's got a friend. Come here, man. Good boy. Good boy, man. New puppo.
Hi.
Good boy.
Hello. Hey, you.
Oh, good boy.
Talking to you.
Come on, big guy.
You ignored me.
You guys ready to go? Hey, how's it going? He's doing good today. Sometimes he gets scared of other pups.
Yeah.
Good boy.
Our Pyrenees is quite reactive as well.
It can be tough. He's doing good though.
We fortunately have a good acre fenced in, and we have 2 other dogs, so he gets lots of playtime most of the time.
There you go. Yeah, he gets along well with his sibling, and
Yeah,
usually
that's what Zuko is. Zuko does great with his people that he knows. Like
Yeah.
Dogs, dog-wise.
After it took him like a couple days to get used to the rest of the pack, but then afterwards he was okay. Boy. Good job.
Come on, buddy.
There you go. Good boy.
Vader
Oh,
can
good
get a
job.
Little hyper on dogs that are nervous sometimes.
They did good. Good job, big guy. You guys ready?
Yeah, good boy. What's his name?
This is Min.
Min?
Mhm.
Love it.
Zuko. That's cool. And then that's Bolt, the sniffer over there. And then that's Goose. Good boy, Goose. Place. Good job.
Why are you touching other people?
Hi. Yeah, that's his name is Min.
That's a lot.
Oh, there's another little puppy. All right, we'll let you meet a couple more and then we'll head out. It's a good crowd today.
Yeah, good peaceful. There's my
Oh, boy or girl?
boy.
Nice. He looks just like, well, no, not really.
Zuko's got very soft features, I think, for
Yeah.
Pyrenees.
He's beautiful though. That's awesome. Yeah, we lucked out
That
today. I
was
thought it
his
was going to be
seeing
too
something
busy.
outside face.
Oh,
His favorite spot in the water bin.
there you go. God, it's good that you have so much space for him.
Yeah, we were out in King George, so it's good space for him.
Nice.
You're being a good boy, woman.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see if the bigger dog here scares him. Good boy.
Amanda, come here.
Oh, look at the skin on that one. Hi, how you doing? Oh, cute little guy. Goose, Bolt. Sorry, Bolt. Oh. Good boy, man. Good down. Good job. Down.
Don't jump on people.
Good down. Good job.
Sorry about that.
No, it's okay. Puppy.
Feel free to push her away. I'm trying to teach her not to do that because while some people are okay with it,
Down.
others
Good
may
down. Good down. There you go. I got you. She's doing good. Down. Good down. There you go. Good job. Good job. You're so excited. Oh. It's a work in progress. Down. Good down. There you go. Good down. There you go. Down. Down. Good down. There you go. Good job. Oh, good boy. There you go. Good boy, man. Here you go. You're okay, big guy. Yeah, good job. You guys have a good one. Come on, Goose. Come on, Bolt. Aw. Oh. Oh. Time to play keep away. There you go. There you go. Get him. Get the Bolt. Oh. How old?
9 months.
She's adorable. Alright, come on guys. I know. We keep saying we're gonna be leaving. Bolt! Come on, Bolt! You guys have a good one? Yeah. Aw. Good job.